In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the submissions on your Google Forms. Whether you're gathering data for research, collecting RSVPs for an event, or just curious about the responses to a survey you've sent out, being able to view and analyze these submissions is crucial. Let's dive into this short and simple guide designed to make checking your Google Forms responses as straightforward as possible. First, I want you to open your preferred web browser. We're heading over to a familiar place, Google. Here, you're going to look for Google Forms, but there's a specific way to do this to ensure you're getting exactly where you need to be. You'll need to sign in to your Google account to access your forms. Click on the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the Google page. When prompted, type in your email address, click Next, then enter your password and click on Sign In again. It's that simple to step into the world of Google, where all your forms reside. Now, being signed in brings you closer to your goal. Look for the Google Forms icon or search for it if it's not immediately visible. Once found, click it to be directed to your Forms dashboard. This is where all your creations live. Your forms could be invitations, questionnaires, or anything in between. You'll see a list of them, each beckoning for your attention. Have a specific form in mind? Fantastic. Look for it in your list of Google Forms. Each form is like a door to insights and information provided by your audience. When you find the form you're interested in, click on it. It's like opening a treasure chest. You're just moments away from viewing the submissions. Now, for the exciting part. Within the form editor, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Your focus should be on the one labelled Responses. It's a goldmine of data waiting to be explored. Click on this tab and you'll be greeted with every single submission that has been made to your form. Imagine it, every click, every answer, neatly organised for your review and analysis. The Responses tab is divided into sections for an overview, questions and individual submissions. This organisation allows you to digest the data in a way that makes sense for you. Whether you're looking for trends, average scores or individual details, it's all at your fingertips. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've navigated to your Google Forms, located a specific form, and opened the door to its responses. Whether you're analysing data for critical decisions, gathering feedback to improve future projects, or just satisfying your curiosity about the views of your audience, Google Forms makes it easy to collect and review this information. Remember, the data you gather is powerful. It speaks volumes about the opinions, preferences, and feedback of your audience. Take your time to understand it, explore different ways to present it, and use it to make informed decisions or adjustments to your projects. I hope this guide has made the process of checking your Google Forms submissions simple and approachable. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through more tips and tricks in the future. Happy data collecting!